Hello dear friends. In my previous video I have discussed about synonyms, which is included in the module number first of BSc part first, entitled Developing Vocabulary. There are context specific synonyms, syntactic contexts, collocations, and semantic errors. We have seen in detail all these 4 sub-points during my last video. Now, study the list of words with their synonyms and try to find out the context of their use by using them in your sentences, in your own sentences. So there are nouns, some nouns you can use in your own sentences and find out the context of the particular word in the sentence. These nouns are respect, and synonym of this respect is admiration, regard. Another word is love. Synonym of this love is affection, fondness. Friend is another word, noun. There is a mate, synonym word for friend. Companion you can call. Then goal is there. Goal is aim, ambition, objective. Then dress, clothes, garment, costume. Agony, pain, anguish, distress, suffering. Then another noun is kindness. Charity is the synonym of kindness. Compassion is the synonym of kindness. Benevolence is the synonym of kindness. Then ability is another noun. Another word for ability is capacity. Efficiency is the synonym. Then courage is another noun, and for that the synonyms are fortitude, boldness, and bravery. So these are noun synonyms, and there are some words near to the noun in meaning, and you can use all these words in your own sentences with different contexts. You have to find out the context of these synonyms during the use of these words in your sentence. Then there are some verbs and their synonyms. Destroy is a verb, and synonym for destroy is ruin. Another synonym is eradicate. Give is another verb. Grant is synonym for give. Sanction is synonym for give. Attract is another verb. Charm, allure, fascinate, all these are synonyms for attract. Kill is another verb. Murder is a synonym of kill. Assassinate is the synonym of kill. Complain, protest, agitate, control, command, rule, order. All these are synonyms. Rebuke, scold, chastise or chastise, remember, recall, reminisce. See is another word. Observe, notice. Then talk, express, boast. Then avoid, evade, shun, shun, means to avoid, synonym of this word. Build, establish, erect. These are the verbs and their synonyms. You can use all these synonyms in different contexts in your own sentences while you write sentences or you speak with your friends or with your relatives. There are some adjectives also and have their synonyms. Clever is an adjective and synonyms for clever are smart, wise, intelligent. Then bad is another adjective. Synonyms are evil, wicked, sinful. Then active is an adjective. Vivacious, dynamic are synonyms for active. Skilled is another adjective. Talented and ingenious. These are two synonyms for skilled. Great is an adjective. Remarkable and noteworthy are synonyms for great. Unwilling is an adjective. Reluctant, indisposed. These two are synonyms for unwilling. So these are some adjectives having synonyms. All these synonyms are or can be used in the sentences. But you have to remember while using all these words or all the synonyms of adjective, noun or verbs, you must have remembered the context of the sentence. In which context you are going to use the words is important here. So while using all these synonyms and basic nouns and verbs or adjectives, you must know, you must understand the context of the sentence so that you can use all these synonyms and nouns or verbs or adjectives very effectively. It is very easy to understand the meaning or context of the sentence if you use the context or if you use the word in a specific context. Here kill is a different word than murder, than assassination. Assassination is the word basically used, the assassination of Mahatma Gandhi. Murder is related to the criminals. Killing is an act done by any common person. Killing a snake by a person. So killing is related to the person in that context also. So be careful while using all these synonyms. Thank you.